Hi, my name is Dr. Sherif Hassan. I'm a consultant psychiatrist here at the American Center for Psychiatry and Neurology, and it's my pleasure today to invite you to the third Advances in Psychiatry Across Ages conference that will be held in Abu Dhabi between the 9th and the 11th of February 2024. This year, we're building on the success we had with the previous two editions. We'll meet with experts and international speakers from all around the world, sharing the knowledge and learning about advances in diagnostics and therapeutic interventions covering different subspecialties including child, adult, and old age psychiatry. In addition to discussing recent research and evidence, there will be many practical workshops covering important day-to-day skills and topics. We count on your participation and interaction for the success of the coming conference. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Please mark the date and you can register through the link below.